Yawning is contagious, but why does it happen? When you see someone yawn, your brain almost copies them automatically. Scientists believe it's connected to empathy, your ability to feel what others feel. It's like your brain saying, I'm with you, I feel the same. Another theory says yawning cools down your brain, so when one person yawns, the signal spreads to others. So the next time you yawn, just because your friend did, remember, it's not laziness, it's your brain showing connection.